Hello! In this video tutorial we would like to show how you can download and install the Opera browser on the Sony Xperia 1 Mark IV smartphone. So first of all, you want to open up the Google Play Store. Here at the search bar type in Opera, just like so. Once the new app is found, just click on this green install button and wait for the application to get downloaded and installed. Now we can go ahead and open it. Here, once launching the Opera for the first time, there is some setup to be done, so let's continue. Next, we are able to choose whether some of the options the browser has to offer will be enabled from the start, or you can always skip them and leave the configuration process for later. I'll personally enable the ad blocking, enable the checker blocking feature, but skip setting Opera as my default browser step. And finally, here on this page, you are able to either customize the permissions and accesses that you are going to grant to Opera, or just allow everything it needs, which I'll do myself. And just like so, you can go ahead and start using the browser. Alrighty, so that was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye-bye.